Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Now guys, as usual in the second video, let's take a look at the gold market. Today in the first video we have talked about the Great British Pound, and on the intraday charts on the gold market situation looks very similar. So mostly the same patterns are forming there. The major difference just stands on the daily. So on the daily chart on the British Pound, the downward action is a bit stronger and market has formed bearish reversal swing, while on the gold market it's not as dramatic, as market mostly is calling inside this triangle. But at the same time, guys, while on the Great British Pound market here stands at the major support, fib support area, on the gold market we do not have this issue. So you can see this is maybe some minor fib level, but it's definitely not the 618 because it already has been broken. So the one actually barrier that keeps market from the further downward action is mostly daily oversold. So market stands reaction on this. As we said, in taking in consideration all this price behavior and the failure of the upside breakout here makes us think that market probably sooner or later but should continue move lower, return back to the area around 13 even. It's very probable in the current situation. Now we're just talking about the possible upward retracement and what kind of retracement could be. So on the 4-hour time frame chart, yesterday we talked about completion of this ABCD pattern. And as we have very nice thrusting action on the CD leg, market has completed the OP. Market with this first leg up hasn't reached the 3.8 resistance. It means that here we don't have the brand by the sell trade that we have also talked about recently in the previous video yesterday. We said keep an eye on the possible Jordan patterns. This could be probably either double repo buy or brand by the sell. As market hasn't quite reached the fib level, it means that we don't have the brand by the sell. Hence, we could get only, at least speaking on the Dinapoli patterns, we could get here the double repo buy. So we have thrust down, close above the 3x3, close below. Now we need another action in upside direction, closing above the 3x3. This green line is the moving average, displaced moving average. And in this case, we will get the confirmed double repo buy pattern that could trigger upward retracement. So we have said that probably this retracement could be somewhere to the 1340, 1342 fib level. This is short-term tactical setup. Dropping below these lows, guys, will significantly increase chances of downward continuation, because as you can see the major target is OP, so already has been met. It means that market from the technical point of view has no reasons to show some wash and rinse of these lows or something of that sort, as major target already has been met. So if market really intends to show retracement, it probably should start it here. If market will drop below these lows and will hold below them, even somewhere around 1320, 1319 area, this will probably mean that downward action is continuing, and in this case we need to keep an eye on the probably area around 1311, 1312 area, so this will be next destination point. The same story on the hourly chart. You can see this is our regardless triple to buy, also we have talked about, and here on the hourly chart the most probable pattern that could be formed if indeed retracement will be continued, this is double bottom, guys. You can see I have put here the potential neckline. To estimate the target of this pattern, you need to measure the distance between the bottom and the neckline and count it in the direction of the breakout. That will be classical approach to the target estimation. And take a look, this will be 1342. That agrees with the idea that we have said on the 4-hour time frame chart, 1342. This will be the major 618 resistance of this thrust down. So currently within the today's session, maybe today, tomorrow, we need to keep an eye on the possible pattern, whether it will be formed or not. whether the market will be able to stand above the 1322 lows and keep chance on the possible bounce. But taking into consideration the situation on the other markets, in particular on the Great British Pound, it also suggests some upward bounce because market oversold and previous drop was really fast. Some relief is needed to the markets, and that's why maybe indeed this retracement will happen. So keep an eye on this intraday patterns, and let's see whether it will be formed and whether gold market will show this retracement.